Hello, welcome you all back to today's video on Business Information System. I'm Pavitra, working as Assistant Professor at the Department of Business Administration UG at Dr. S.N. Radhakrishnan College of Arts and Science. So, in our video lecture series on Business Information System, we have been discussing about the various informations related to data, databases, and how data is processed inside the business. And initially we are discussing about the components of business information system, and in our later videos we will be discussing about the various information related to data, databases, how the data are managed inside an organization, everything. So in this topic on components of business information system, previously we have discussed about the two components of business information system. One is computer hardware and computer software, and thirdly, we will be discussing today about the third components of business information system, that is database. So without any more delay, let's get into today's video on components of business information system, and we will be discussing about the third component of business information system, that is databases. So getting into today's video. So starting up with the business information system, as we discussed priorly, what is business information system? Business information system is actually a management system that provides an accurate and adequate data for an organization for making an effective decisions inside the organization. So how this business information gathers the data? It gathers the data through the primary components of our information system, that is computer hardware, computer softwares, the databases, networks, and system users. That is what we are discussing now in today's video. And many companies utilize this information system to complete and manage their operations and engage with their customers more effectively and more efficiently. So today we have been discussing about the components of business information system. Priorly we have discussed about the two components, computer software and hardware, and today we will be discussing about the third component, that is database. So before knowing what is database, it is most important for us to know about what is a data. So now we are getting into the actual business information system, that is what playing with data. So before that we should know about what is data. So what is your idea about data? So data is actually a set of facts. People would say that it is an information. Rather than saying it as an information, data is a set of facts that may be either in a format of Word, PDF, documents, or image, or recorders, audios, videos, any kind of a facts that are gathered together. Well, and that is useful for a business is called as a data. So these data will be helping us to figure out the problems inside the organization, and to make an effective decisions we use these data. Any kind of a business would have certain data within. For example, let us take an organization. The organization would have the data related to the employees, data related to the company's turnover, the data related to uh, company's financial statements, data related to marketing information of an organization. It would have an in number of facts and informations with it. So that facts and information is termed as data. So this is what a simple explanation about the data. We are assuming an organization, so the organization would have n number of facts within them. So those facts, those information is called as a data. So nextly we will be discussing how those data are stored. So what data is a collection of information gathered by observations, measurements, research, or analysis. They may consist of facts, as I said, they may consist of facts, numbers, names, figures, or any kind of a description. So the data organized in the form of graphs, charts, or tables, any kind of a format. So this refers to the facts that some existing information or knowledge is represented or coded in some form suitable for better usage or processing. So in short, a data is a collection of facts, numerous facts inside the organization. As if the organization would have any number of facts and information within them. So those facts and information is called as a data. So now we will be discussing how those data are processed. So those data are processed as with the help of database. So the database is nothing but It is a set of interrelated data. So as I said priorly, a data is a set of facts. So that would be containing related facts or related facts to the current decisions inside the organization. So for example, I'm starting a new branch of our organization. So in my organization, I will have any number of informations, any number of data related to financial information, current human resource, about the employee details, about the turnover, about the marketing. I will be having any number of details. So all these details will not be useful for my current decision makings, isn't it? So only a particular kind of an information will be related or useful for my current um, decision making. So those relevant data that are used for my current decision are called as a databases. Hope so you people understood what is that. Data is group of information inside an organization. Database is a set of interrelated data that are need to make an effective decision. So the data are raw facts and figures that are unorganized. So it is a raw facts and figure unorganized that could have any number of process inside them, later process to generate the information. Softwares are used for organizing and serving data to the user, managing physical storage of media and virtual. So the data are managed using database management system. So the database is the set of interrelated data. So these interrelated data are gathered using the database management system. So that's it about today's video on database management databases or components of business information system. Hope so you have understood the core concept of what is database information system. So we will be discussing, we have as of now we have discussed about the three components of database business information system, software, hardware, and we have discussed about data and databases. So in our next video, we will be discussing about the rest of two components, system users and networks. So see you all in next video. Thank you and see you all soon.